Welcome to the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. As we approach the festive season, TPR wishes you safe travel across our beautiful country. In line with that objective, the Passionate Roaditor is calling out the driver of this MASH POA bus, registration number KDB 347Y, for reckless driving that was caught on camera. Check this out. When we review it more closely, one has to appreciate the situational awareness of the trailer driver, who swerves left to provide the bus sufficient room to avoid a head-on collision with the oncoming trailer. You would think that such an incident is a one-off and shouldn't happen again in the space of seconds. Well, you are wrong. Check this out. With this trailer driver clearly using the right turn signal as a warning not to overtake, the MASH POA bus driver ignores the alert and goes ahead to overtake, forcing the driver of this SUV to swerve left on the shoulder to avoid a head-on collision. If these moments were captured within such a short time of recording, how many more times do you think this MASH POA bus driver has such close shaves? The driver of this MASH POA bus also uses the shoulder of the road when there's clearly no room to overtake. This, despite the fact that bodabodas, which will be more during the festive season, use the shoulder to avoid the heavy commercial traffic. A head-on collision with a bodaboda would be tragic. Keep it TPR for the promotion of road safety, and if you have any feedback, kindly put it on the comment section or send it to thepassionateroaditor@gmail.com.